Hey, man, we got an easy go here. I want to show you this here, man. Think of the timing. I want to show you the timing notch on it. Yeah, now I'm turning my hand. Now, if you see that, see that dot there, the middle dot, it lines up with that hole right there. You can see that's almost round the money. All right, I just wanted to show you, man, with it running, how it looks. All right, hit the gas, crank it up. I just want to show you all that, man. I thought that was pretty cool, man. Somebody never seen it before. I think y'all would like it, man. Pretty cool, pretty easy setup. All right, man. Stay tuned, man. I'll post some more, man. If you like this, let me know in the comments.